Okay, so let's create another poodle, and this poodle is what we call French poodle. Okay, so we need to inflate another balloon like this. So this time we have pink here. Leave an allowance at the end, would be 4 or 5 inches. Now, here's the difference of our French poodle. Create a 2-inch bubble here for the mouth. Create 1 inch here. 1 inch bubble here. 1 inch bubble here. But this time, we will create not just 1 inch, but we will add more length. For me, let's just say 1.5. Let's make it more bigger, just like this. Okay, so the difference of the poodle that I created on our previous course is, of course, we created small bubbles here, but this time we just adjust the length of the head of our poodle here in this course, volume 6. So we created this 3 bubbles here. On our first bubble for the head would be the 1 inch here, 1.5 or 2 inch, and this time another 1 inch for the head. Now put it together as a loop, and this is our common French poodle. Now, like we did earlier, just put the mouth all the way here on our head, just like this. Now I have a technique that I recently figured it out. When you do a poodle here, you need to twist this part so that the mouth will stay like this, instead of the mouth of our poodle is facing up. When you twist like this, it will create another bubble here for the back of our poodle, the back of the head. When you do that, the mouth will automatically stay here, and it will stand. The whole portion of the head will stand straight forward, not upward, just like this. See the difference when you do that kind of technique that I showed it to you earlier. So that's another idea that you can add on to your balloon techniques for your events. So this is the simplest way to create a French poodle. Now, next part is the neck, and for the front legs, create 2-inch bubble here, 1 inch bubble here, and 1 inch bubble here, and 2-inch bubble here for the second leg. Now create 2 or 3 inches for the body, and create 2 inch here for the second leg, 1 inch, another 1 inch, and for the last leg, another 2 inch. So we have the French poodle. Of course, create a poodle tail here like this. Okay, just like that.